Yeah, I don't know how to use this GoPro because I'm filming and it shuts off in the middle of what I'm doing after about a couple minutes. So I'll try and splice it together. I'm not much of an editor yet, but I'm gonna drain it and try and fill it there. It holds 2.6 liters of that oil I showed you out there. But there's also another strange thing that I found, and I'll go over there and show you. It's on the other side of the car. It's right there, that black plug right there. It's a rubber plug. When I pulled it out the other day, oil came out of it, so I thought it was a fill plug. See, there's oil coming out of it. But I looked in the manual and it said something about remote plug. So I don't know if you can hook this up and remotely do something to this. I don't even know. It's kind of full all the way up to there. So when I pull it out, it's pouring out, and this thing's level. I got it jacked up, but it's level. This is relatively level.